Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. I'm just sending out the link now, so just bear with me. Link has just been sent out. Right. Good morning, good afternoon, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. So we had some good news in regards to retail sales. They decreased 0.1 October, minus 0.3. We'll see how this does to them. We'll see what this does to the market. Yesterday the market did very, very well, so hopefully we get continuation for some more plays today. Invo is a very good setup, guys. This is a very, very, very good setup. This is a bull flag or channel down. I would say this is more of a bull flag because there's the pole we have, the flag pole, and then we are respecting this this channel, right? So all we do with this is we expect this to break above this chart, right? Obviously there's a lot of price action. There's a lot of wicks here. This was obviously the 8 a.m. candle, but yeah, I mean, I do expect this to price to break. Invo is a former runner, ran 34% yesterday as well, so this looks very, very good. So keep this on watch. Morning, Cameron. Green Mountain. HSCS over here. Looks like it lost this falling wedge, but it's trying to reverse actually. So I had this as support because this was previous resistance and now became support. We can move this down to this level now. The reason is because we could see this is a stronger area of support. So 0.21 we can put it as support. So it looks like it's trying to reverse. We had a first 15-minute green candle close, which is obviously a good sign indicating a possible reversal. It is out of this falling wedge, so I'm going to remove that. But yeah, if we're looking at it now, let's just fix the lines up a bit. We can maybe see if this is a falling wedge still. Yeah, no, it's not. We could say maybe a possible channel down pattern on this. So this is still looking bullish in my opinion. So yeah, it looks good. Lower risk entries on at this level in my opinion. You've pulled back to this level of support now, so hopefully it does start to reverse on this. So yeah, if you want to take some entries, good luck. Stop loss would be just below the blue line in my opinion. I'm going to avoid it. I don't like playing sub $1 plays, but there's your levels there if you want to grab it. Let me have a look at HSCS here. So let me just do some levels here. Oops, one sec. I'll post this on Twitter as well for you guys. HSCS. So channel down pattern is bullish. For those who don't know, you guys should know that by now. I show you guys these kind of setups almost every single day. IMBS looking coiled up. Thoughts on movement? IMBS, have a look. INBS is not great at the moment. There's a lack of volume on it. Possible bullish pennant, so it's getting towards the end of that pennant. So decision time, according to technicals, it should break out of this. But yeah, we need this to break above. We need this to get some volume to obviously push to the upside. Lack of volume will probably reject. So it's kind of what you have on IMBS. So we're going to expect to break on this. I'll just put this on Twitter as well so you can have this level. IMBS, bullish pennant. So yeah, I mean, this is a bullish setup at the moment. Morning, Michael, bro. Triple down on AVTX, took the money for my wife's engagement ring and grabbed another, no chance. Good morning, thank you. No problem, bro, no problem. Here to help you guys. Is crypto up? Hot's up, let me look at crypto or Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up a little bit. AVTX, let me have a look at this. I know you guys are how come a lot of you guys are in this? I'm just curious to find out. I literally just charted because so many people on Twitter go on about it, that's all. That's the only reason why. I'm not in this, I haven't touched it. But yeah, I mean, it's in a bullish pennant, so it's held this area of support. Yeah, let's see what it does do. Hoping it goes for you guys, because if that goes, then everyone will be happy, because I think half of the people who follow me on Twitter are in this, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see. What else is moving? Let's have a look and see what else is moving. So we have CMMB. So this one I like, guys. I look, oh wait, let me just go through some chat. ONMD. Nice to see you guys active on the chat. Very nice to see. I know obviously we get more and more people joining every day, but ONMD, I was like, but yeah. Also like up the stream, guys, if you haven't. Very, very low volume on this. ONMD on deck. Let me have a look. Not my kind of play at all. I would have, this is a typical play I would avoid at all costs. I don't know why this would be on watch, to be honest. I don't know anything about it, but yeah. Very, very low volume. Does it have earnings or something? I would avoid this, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's kind of what I have for you on this. Literally just a downtrend. So if you can obviously break above, then push the upside, that'll be better. There's been news all over Twitter about it. Oh, right. Where are you based? UK accent. No, I was born in South Africa, grew up here in Dubai, lived here for 20 years. Went to play college golf in America, and then lived in Chicago for a few years and then moved back to Dubai and now do trading full time. But yeah, I went to a British school here in Dubai. That's why I have a British accent. British curriculum school. Thoughts on, you very low on CRMD. Yeah, I've taken this one's pushing up. I took some profits already. I entered here at 3.71 or 3.7. I can't remember exactly. Then I sold some at 3.83. And now we're pushing to break to the upside. So we're breaking the high day, which is very, very good to see. So yeah, I know people in the Discord are in this. Bamboo, I'm not sure if you are in this. Let me know. CRMD is looking good. CRMD. Let me get this on Twitter for you guys because I know some people are watching this as well. Give me 1 minute, guys, and I'll get back to charting. Yeah, but it is low volume. But if it breaks this, it should push. Let's see what happens though. Just need a lot of patience with these kind of plays. Yeah, I mentioned it as well. So I put on Twitter there for you guys as well that I mentioned that it should break this level soon. So yeah, it's breaking that as expected. Very low to 1 hour. Thoughts on CMMB? So on the left-hand side of the blue ones, all the charts that I like. So at the moment, it's just at support, Michael. That's it. It's just literally at support. So volume's not quite there. It's setting up for a falling wedge, actually. So yeah. My possible breakout on this. Up to you what you decide on this, obviously, but safe entries are above this 123 high, but yeah, this should break above according to technical. So let's see what it does do. Hopefully it does. Can I look at air? Not a fan though. AVTX big following. Yeah, it does. There's a huge following. I don't know why. Oh, Knight's breaking. Yeah, Knight's about to go. This is a big, big level here. Just notice SPRC going down. It's still in this wedge. Let me just fix it up right here. Still in the wedge. Yeah, high risk, high reward on this. Look at this on a larger time frame. Big level here. Rejection once, twice, 3 times. So if this breaks, it's gonna pretty much explode. Yeah, Knight looks good. It looks very good. Strong uptrend. Worth entries in my opinion, actually. Breaks this, will run. Let me see what the next level is on this. This is your next level here. What is that candle? 293. I'm just going to get some new levels on, or some updated levels on this. 293, then 337 we can put right here. 3.37. So there we go. Yeah, this looks good. If you guys would enter, worth it in my opinion. HSCS, I just went over this one. It's pushing up. It's probably going to go. This is in a channel down pattern. It's doing what I expect. It should break above on this. It's found an area of support. It should break and push to the upside like that for HSCS. So yeah. SPRC going down, night and arrow going up. Oh, air. Someone asked me about air. I charted this earlier. It's in a bullish pennant, but I don't know what happened to this thing yesterday. It halted down randomly. So yeah, just be wary of cautious. It's a hop 100%. I mean, your clear support here is $9. We can see that, right? This was the halt down. But yeah, it's still in the bullish pennant, so you should still expect price to break above like that. But yeah, just be cautious of that from yesterday. DTSS. Let me have a look at this thing. DTSS, very, 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 very low volume. Not my kind of play, to be honest. All I would simply do is just mark the high. There's 0.25. So we can see it's a possible double top here on this. Let me have a look quickly. Let me see on this. Give me one sec, guys. Okay, this is actually, yeah, this is your level here. So you can clearly see that 0.25 is the level, so that you need that to break. At the moment, there's just lack of volume. It's difficult to chart this, so I would just simply mark the high on that. No, I don't trade sub $1 plays, Colin. So I avoid all sub $1 plays. I know I chart, I post them on my Twitter. For those who are new, because I'm assuming a lot of guys are new in here, I don't play sub $1 trades, okay? The reason is they're sub $1 for a reason. I personally don't trade very well in them. They don't fit my setup much. I know there's high potential in them, but a lot of times they do get dumped and pumped and dumped. So that's why I kind of avoid those plays. I just share the charts I share on Twitter are just setups that I like and I expect to go up. Yeah, any stocks that I get in, I alert them in my Discord. So I give entry, stop loss targets and that. So that's kind of how I trade it. Night 2.5 calls. I'm not doing. I don't trade options, but I know there's big news on that. Let's see what else is moving. BCDA. Gamble. Are you in HSCS? No, I'm not in HSCS. Where would I enter Invo? If it was intraday, I would be entering now. I always enter within a chart pattern. Always enter within the chart pattern. The reason is, if it's a bullish reversal or continuation pattern, I will enter within it. Simply because if it's expected to go up in on a technical basis, right? If the price is supposed to go up, then I'm going to get in within the chart pattern. I'm not going to wait for a breakout. I personally don't wait for breakouts. I don't trade breakouts. I'm not very good at them at all, actually. I suck at them. EVLO, you think is okay? Low volume. Very low volume on this. Very, very low volume. Safe entries would be literally needs to break out of this consolidation zone. So guys, something to note for you guys and how to chart, right? Something very, very easy to do, right? Anyone can do this. Anyone who's literally teaching someone for the first time today to trade, go on a larger time frame and identify what is the trend. Are you going to buy a stock that's going down like this? Would you buy a stock like this? I don't think so, right? Why would you buy a stock that is still going down, right? Wait for the stock to go up. Play the trend. It's a very simple thing that everyone talks about, right? You hear it. Play the trend. Play the trend. Don't play a downtrend unless you short or do puts or whatever. But yeah, just simply play the trend. Make it very easy for yourself. Don't try and buy here when you trying to hope and pray that the price is going to go up, right? Obviously, it will eventually go up at some point, but how low is it going to go? You don't know, right? So simply just wait for it. That's all you need to do. It's patience. It's all about patience, right? No one can tell you when a stock is going to break above or basically bottom out. If they do, let me know so I can join their Discord or whatever, because it's pretty much impossible to know. I avoid low volume plays. The reason is because I just play the runners for pre-market, that's it, and then just rinse and repeat those for last week, this week, and so on. So it just suits my technicals, or it suits technicals better in general, respects my strategy, and I trade much better with them. So trying to play low volume plays or sometimes, okay, might be good in terms of maybe knowing there's some news or something. I don't play news stocks, when news is pending. I'll rather wait for it to happen. Whatever the price happens with that, if it's running, great. That's where I start to look for entries. So I just avoid low volume players. I don't want to sit in a stock for 2-3 days. I'm not a swing trader. So I just avoid those kind of plays, but sometimes they work well. I mean, people have different strategies. For me, it's not kind of something I look at, to be honest with you. I mean, if we were to talk anything positive about this, okay, we have found a downtrend, right, which is obvious there. Now we notice that it is consolidating. If this breaks above 0.4, then maybe you can look for entries, but safe entries are above this 0.5 because that is the high level there, right? So that is what you have on this. I'll put this on Twitter for you guys. So I'll just mention that you just need to wait for that 0.4 break level. So I hope that's clear for you. Break above. What is this? This is EVLO. So that's kind of what I have now on this. Let me have a look. What else is moving here? Let's see. THRX is breaking 330. Is it actually? Oh, here we go. THRX. Let me have a look at this. Yeah, it is breaking. This is looking good. So now we're breaking this level. The next level we have is 350. This looks good. Let me just adjust some of the lines here. All right, so we have this. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So we're breaking above this. If we can hold this into open, this is ideally what we want. And then push to 355. So THRX is looking good. CRMD. So this is kind of what we're at on this. Let me have a look. THRX. Here's your chart for this one. All right. Want to check back on our friend SPRC. Oh yeah, how? There we go. See, yeah, it should break out. Hopefully it does. There's your bullish engulfing candle. Respecting the technicals and pushing to the upside. So it looks very good. Nice, nice, nice. I'm not in this, but I don't really like to trade when I'm doing these reviews with you guys because it's just very difficult to do the same thing, do this at the same time. No problem, Khaled. MRBX. I'm assuming MBRX. MBRX, I'm assuming, is that what you're asking? This is very, very extremely low volume. Not my kind of setup at all. 0.7 is kind of what I would wait for, to be honest. DWAC, Trump stock, DWAC, Fund, all of them. Yeah, DWAC and Fund, these run together from what I remember, at least. On these two. What's Knight doing? Still respecting it. I mean, it keeps rejecting it, but if it breaks this level, the levels are getting tight here. So it needs to decide what's going to happen. Invo is still low volume at around 34%. I expect this to break out today. Just watch it. CMMB is in this falling wedge, just losing support. I'm going to put this down all the way down here. So 0.85. 0.85 is your last support level on this. SLDB. I like this one, right? You guys know I talk about this a lot, just basic support and resistance, right? We've seen that this has been a strong area of support the whole of pre-market. Every time it's come to this 260 level, it's respected, right? You can see that it's holding this very, very well. So we should expect it to push the upside. 294 is your next level. I would just wait for $3 if it can reclaim that. MBRK low but green. Yeah, that's good. CRMD, there you go. I got it nice and early. We got it early in the Discord on this one this morning, so that's very good on that. Yeah, we're moving on that. Yeah, 370 I got in. 370 on this. So yeah, we break this and then let me check the next level on CRMD because I really like this chart. What is this here? Damn, 425. and then 455. So we have room to 455 today. It's up 23%, which is good. So let's see if we can get continuation. That's ideally what we want, right? If we can get that, that'll be perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, I'm gonna go through my watch list, and then I'm gonna head into the Discord. I know some of you guys have asked about the payment, so we are going to switch over to Stripe. If those aren't familiar, we just use Upgrade Chat at the moment, which is linked to PayPal. But yeah, we are switching over to Stripe. Once that gets sorted, I will put the link in my bio, and you guys will be able to join through that. So yeah, once that's sorted, you guys will know about that as well. So you are still able to join through the Upgrade Chat. Here's the link if you want to join the Discord. Difference with the Discord, I'm just going to mention this, and I will mention it every stream just because we have a lot of new viewers every time. The posts I put on Twitter are simply just setups that I like, not necessarily that I get in or that I'm going to look to buy. If I do get into any stocks, I do alert them in the Discord. Myself and Hassi, we give around 5-6 alerts a day maximum each. With that being said, we have a strict risk management strategy with having max 3% stop loss. And we kind of just focus more on A+ setups than giving 50-60 alerts a day. I've been in a lot of Discords where they give 50-60 alerts. If 1 or 2 runs, they're very happy and they go boom, boom, boom. But the other 100 that got stopped out, they don't say anything. So we're very focused on giving A+ setups, 4 or 5 alerts for the day, high quality setups, and 75 to 80% of them, will even higher. This month's about 85%. So 85% of them hit at least the first target, which is 3 to 5%. So that's kind of what we do there in the Discord. And we also do live trading, which I'm doing today, live seminars, a lot of educational content in there as well, giving explanations for our entries, entries and alerts as well. So if you want to join, feel free to join. We have some spaces. BCDA, keep this one on watch. It already did break out this falling wedge, but I do like this setup at around 168% today. Look what's happening. It's literally respecting $1. So if it holds $1, then you should be golden on this. I'm hoping it does. If this can hold this level, that'll be great. Sold SPLC $200 profit. Nice, 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 nice. There we go. If anyone took it, well done. I didn't take it because obviously I'm doing this trading, but as I expected, and I said to you guys, it should break out of that. Why? Because it's a falling wedge. Falling wedge is a very, 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 very good bullish reversal pattern. So I highly recommend you guys learning that. It's well worth it. Just practice using this setup. It's good, very good, and it's very accurate as well. So I would say at least, way more than, I would say at least 60-70% success rate if you start to take these setups. Simply just the setup. I take it at least 3-4 times a day. It's kind of my go-to setup on that. Okay, let me go through my watch list, and I've got to head to the Discord. So Air, this one's a bullish pennant. I'm looking to see if it holds this $9 level. I don't know if I will touch it since the halt yesterday. I don't know what happened there with that, but yeah, this is expected to break above, so keep an eye on this one. Night, yeah, just mark that. All you need to do is mark that 239. Breaks that, it'll run pretty crazy. 293, then 337. THRX, this one's trying to break out of this consolidation zone. If it can break above that, you should be good to push to 355. PXMD is simply just consolidating, no real direction at the moment. It halted as well yesterday. BCDA is just consolidating. Yeah, it's nothing really going on with this, but it is holding $1. So if it does hold this, it's open, it should push to the upside. CRMD, this one's looking great. Obviously, we have a big rejection here at 389. That is the high of day and a lot of resistance there. So hopefully we can break above that and then push to the upside on that. SLDB, keep this one on watch. Same thing as pretty much with that other one. BCDA, how it's holding at $1. This is holding 260 support. It should start to push to the upside and push for 294. CMMB, this one is worth an entry in my opinion because we saw this run up to 123 yesterday. This should break out of this wedge. Yeah, if this does, it's probably going to run pretty crazy. Probably break above that high of day, to be honest with you. CMMB levels. So this looks very good. So I'd definitely keep this on watch because I'm just going to mention to watch us at open. Also, for those who just joined, if you could do me a favor and like up the stream, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, and also subscribe if you haven't. I know we have a lot of new people in here. Invo, yeah, this one I like to set up a lot. I expect this to break out today as well. It just needs to hold this 175 level. SPRC, this one's looking great, pushing to the upside. We are going to break this 885 hopefully. So keep an eye on this one, looks good. Probably be one of the top plays, to be honest with you. Yeah, this would probably be the top setup at the moment. There's Knight. Knight's right there. It's just literally an uptrend. Just mark 239. That's all you need to do with that. Very easy. HSCS. This one's also trying to push up. It's been going up since I've mentioned it. 45 minutes of green candle close as well. So that's very good. So yeah, I'm going to head into Discord, guys. I've got to do some live trading. If you want to join the Discord, feel free. The link is in the chat box there. If you want to join the live trading we have today with myself and Hassie, give alerts there. But yeah, I'm going to keep posting charts as usual. But guys, one thing to mention, I'll put on my Twitter. Don't ask me what stock to buy or what's targets. I never hold for targets, right? Just to make that clear. Whatever my entry price is, I sell at 3 to 5%, at least 50% of my position, and I move my stop loss up. I don't get in a stock hoping it's going to run 50, 60%, because it's pretty impossible to predict something like that, right? I'm very realistic with my trading. I hold for a realistic percentage gain, which is around 3 to 5%. If it goes more, great, I have the rest of my position, but I do not hold for 50, 60% moves. Okay, so whatever entry price you get in, right, or whatever chart I post, okay, I don't expect it to go 50, 60%. I expect the move to go at least 3 to 5%. So whatever you decide to do, it's completely up to you. And then what stock to buy, when you guys ask me, I'm not going to tell you what stock to buy, right? If you want to join the Discord, you will see there what trades, what stocks I trade and what setups I take. So yeah, I will mention on my Twitter though, but yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. And thanks again for a lot of support on Twitter. I will catch you guys later today. So bye guys, thanks.